Now it's time to solve some functional equations. So basically a functional equation, it's an equation that the unknown that you need to find is the function, is a function, or the function, or maybe sometimes you have more than one function that satisfies the equation. So basically we're looking for a function that would satisfy the equation. Like here, we are not looking for the value of x, we're trying to find the f. Basically, there are many techniques. There is no single one technique that can help us solve this one. It's not like ax plus b equals 0. We know the algorithm and we can find the x in function of a and b with some conditions that we impose on a and b. But in here, we just need to deal with the functional equation. Basically, from my experience, it's like a mason that tries to learn a technique every time that he deals with some table, maybe some window. So every time has like some special window or table that he need to find or to make. So that's the same thing for functional equations. There is no single technique. So you learn the techniques, and after a while you will become affluent. You will become very, very talented, maybe, in solving these equations. Like here, so one key is we want to get rid of the 1 minus x here. This is the problem. So to get rid of that, we just gonna switch, maybe let y equals 1 minus x. In this case, we get x is 1 minus y. So we plug it in the first equation, we get f of 1 minus y plus 2f of y equals 1 minus y squared, which is 1 minus 2y plus y squared. And since now we have this one here, since y is a dummy variable, we can call this one, we can call the y x. So we can have 1 minus x plus 2f of x is 1 minus 2x plus x squared. Okay, so now we have this equation, and we have the first one, f of x plus 2f 1 minus x equals x squared. So we have two equations, and the principle is we want to get rid of this f of 1 minus x. Okay, to get rid of that, so the best way is to multiply the first equation by 2 and subtract it from the second. So doing so, we have 2f 1 minus x plus 4f of x. It's going to be 2 minus 4x plus 2x squared. So multiply everything by 2. The second equation will be, let me switch this one to the front. So we get f of 1 minus x plus f of x is x squared. So subtracting now, we get 3f of x is 2 minus 4x plus 2x squared minus x squared, which is 2 minus 4x plus x squared. So we have f of x is 2 minus 4x plus x squared over 3. Okay, so we get rid of the big problem, the f of 1 minus x, but we don't know if this is a solution of the equation. So we need to go back and plug it there and see if it satisfies the equation. If it does, it's a solution. Let's do it. So we have f of x, which is this one, 2 minus 4x plus x squared over 3 plus 2 over 3. So 2 minus 4, 1 minus x plus 1 minus x squared. Basically, you have 2 minus 4x plus x squared over 3, okay, plus 2 over 3. Let's simplify this one. It's 2 minus 4 plus 4x plus 1 minus 2x plus x squared. Okay, let's have 1, 3 as a common factor, 1 over 3. So we have we have 2
minus 4x plus x squared plus 4 minus 8 plus 8x plus 1 plus 2 minus 4x plus 2x squared. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, so basically we're gonna have to eliminate some numbers. So we have the 4 plus 2 is 8 with the minus 8. This one is gonna go. Okay, so we have minus 4x with the minus 4x is 8x is gonna go with this 8x. Okay, and finally we have x squared plus 2x squared over 3, which is x squared. Okay, we verified that this solution that we found satisfies the functional equation that we have. It satisfies this one and that one. Therefore, this is the solution for this equation. Okay, we will add more, and this is one of the techniques that we use. We'll add more. So in the next few videos.